In this series of recordings, we'll be going through the operation called drill recognition. Now, drill recognition in many ways is very similar to our very drilling operation with two major differences. One, the geometries are different. They're picked out by the actual holes themselves. And two is the depth. And we'll go into them and show you exactly what I mean. Well, let's first talk about the actual geometry. With drill recognition, it automatically recognizes the diameters of the holes, also the upper levels, and the depth of each hole. Let's take a look at what we can do over here. If I go into create a geometry, you'll see that in this part I have many different diameter holes and also on different levels as well. What I'd like to do is I'd like to pick out holes that are no larger than 10 millimeters. So if I go to the left-hand side, we see we have several different filters. One of the filters that I would like to use right now is called the hole diameter. I'd like to limit it, as I said, between 0 and 10 millimeters. So I'll put in the value of 10 over here. Okay. I can also limit it by whole upper level, between two upper levels, or all on one level, and also the depth of each hole. Right now, I'm just going to leave it exactly the way it is. I'm just going to now click on Find Holes, and it found every single hole that I needed over here. Note what it did not do. It picked out these holes, but did not pick out the larger holes, the ones that are larger than 10 millimeters, such as these over here and this really big one over here. You can also see that I broke it up into different shapes and groups. For example, this shape, if I right click on it, you'll see is a plain simple hole that goes through. Or if I take a different shape, such as this one over here, take a look at the hole, you'll see that this is a blind hole. You'll also note that they're also broken into different groups. Each group can have one or several holes in it, if I open up that group. And these holes have two things in common. One, that they're the same diameter. Actually, they have three things in common. They are the same diameter, and they are located on the same upper level, and they have the exact same depth. That's what each group does. Okay, I'm just going to accept what I've done over here, and in my next video, we'll go into the levels.